I'm re-recording this because why does that look blurry? Here, let me wipe that off. It wasn't a very good. Well, it wasn't very good quality last time, so I'm recording this again to show you guys. This time I'm using a power board. I'm just going to redo this video. I'm not using an Arduino. This is just a power board, as you can see. It can be hooked up via USB to the computer, or you could take a 9-volt battery, which plugs in with this little female plug here. These little tabs here can be placed, these little pins can be placed on either the 3.5 volt section or on the 5 volt section. For this circuit, I have it within the 5 volt range. So let me give you a close up of that, see if you can see it. Again, the reason why I'm redoing this video is because the lighting was terrible. And when I turn this thing on, that's another thing, the light kind of blares out what it looks like. So this is how it looks. So I have this little, let me get rid of this, I was experimenting. I got this integrated circuit, which consists of a series, I don't have a schematic on it, so I don't know exactly what it is. However, I tested it for continuity. I have discovered that on this side here that I'm pointing at, there's a number of resistance. There is impedance on a couple of these at different variations of impedance. So there's some resistance in there. And then on this side, it seems like there's either some diodes or some transistors, and I'm interacting with those via the switches and the LEDs. And you'll see me make an example of that here in a moment as soon as I turn that on. So right now I'm going to power on the power source here to power up the breadboard. And as you can see, that is very bright. And then I'm going to interact with these lights with the switches. So here's what the first switch does. Switches back and forth. So right now it's interacting with the transistors inside the integrated circuit. Excuse me. Wow, that is terrible looking. I might have to try a different setting. Then I'm going to try a different button here. This is the bottom button, and it goes to the green. So we got red, green. And so notice that same light changes different colors. This one right here turns red and green. Here, I'll hit the button again, and it turns bright red there. It turns green, and then when I hit both, it's a purple color. Or it's actually a very bright red. That's like a dim, right there is kind of a dim purple color. That's bright red. That's green. I had it, but how did I get it blue last night? Somehow I had it. Oh, when I hook it up to the Arduino. Yeah, let me show you this. Actually, I'll just make another video. Let me see how this looks.